Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out a product from a brand that is new to me. It's called Lavaa Los Angeles, Lavaa Beauty. And I got this lash set in my February 2022 Boxycharm box. So that unboxing is up here on my YouTube channel if you haven't seen it yet. But maybe I'm not so surprised that I haven't heard of this brand before because it is expensive and high-end in my opinion. $54 for this lash set, which I'm so excited to try it out. I got it for such a good deal in that Boxycharm box, but typically the lashes that I buy are very inexpensive, which are still great. I don't think you necessarily have to spend a lot of money on lashes, but it is nice that this comes with the lash glue and the applicator. And these are definitely some long lashes. They have a thick black band, which I typically prefer a clear band, and I typically prefer more of the cat eye shape. This is the type of shape that is the same length on both ends. The cat eye that I prefer gets longer towards the outer lashes. So hopefully these will look okay on me. The lash style is called Flirty, and the eyelash adhesive is latex free and waterproof. And it says you can reuse these up to 30 times. And I'm sure you can tell that I did put eyeliner on just one of my eyes, and that was intentional because I typically will line my upper lash line with a black eyeliner when I'm wearing false lashes, but I wanted to see how these look with and without an eyeliner, just worn alone. So first things first, I am going to gently remove one of the lashes. So first I am going to just, without any glue, size this to my eye and see if I need to trim any excess from the lashes. I never use lash applicators like this. I always just apply with my finger, but I am going to test it out. Let's see how easy it is to use. Oh, this actually is pretty long. I can actually remove maybe one whole section I can cut off. But some lashes, I do not even have to cut off a section. So I'm gonna cut it off from the outer section. All right, and that I would say is the perfect fit. Okay, I'm gonna try once again with this applicator, but I just know I'm probably gonna switch to just using my fingers to apply it. But so now I'm picking up the lash adhesive. And this does come with helpful instructions. So this really is a nice starter set for someone that maybe doesn't have any lashes yet. So you get the applicator and the glue all in one, which is nice to get in a beauty subscription box. But so I'm just going to paint the glue onto the lash band, making sure to coat the ends really well. And then you do not have to rush to put it on your eye because you want to wait 30 seconds or so before applying it. And then I'm going to try and place it right on the lash band. This applicator is not bad. I just feel like I can get a closer grip if I use my fingers and I can be more precise. So I gave it a try. It wasn't bad, but just my personal preference is I want to apply lashes with my fingers. Oof. These are really itchy and uncomfortable from the band if it pokes your eye. So gotta make sure I don't let that inner corner poke at my eye. Ooh. Wow, this is really good lash glue though. It has a great hold. It's clear. This lash is very uncomfortable though. It's very long and big. Like, it just looks crazy on me. It's so long, so extremely unnatural. And with that thick black band, it adds to the unnatural look of this. See, that is just not something I would ever wear. I wish I could have had a choice of the style of lashes that I got in Boxycharm. But okay, aside from the style, it's uncomfortable. It's like poking my eye, feels heavy on the eye, and it just doesn't look good. I do want to see how it looks on top of the eyeliner though. So I'm going to now do the same thing on the other eye. I'm thinking this lash glue is going to be a win in this set. So at least there's that, if these lashes are completely unwearable for me. And sometimes lashes get more comfortable the longer you wear them. So we'll see after I give this lash a little bit of time if it starts to feel more comfortable. But right now it does not. Okay, now placing it as close as I can to my natural lash line. Oh, but it looks so much better with the eyeliner because it really hides that thick black band. So the lash still looks crazy, ridiculous. It looks so heavy on my eye as well. It could be because of the shape that it's not that cat-eyed look, but it kind of like, you know, like looks heavy on my eye, closes my eye a bit. But at least you don't see the band on this eye. And so here are how the lashes look on me. Oh, I mean, it feels a little bit more comfortable now that I've had it on the eye, but it's just not my look. I keep laughing at myself when I see myself in the mirror. I just feel like if I saw these on someone else, I would probably think they look good, but I just feel like I cannot pull them off. I feel like I would just be too uncomfortable. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of how these look on me. And of course, be totally honest. If you think they look crazy and I shouldn't wear them, let me know. If you think I can pull them off, let me know as well. But at least this is fun. You know, lashes are so fun and they really do change up a look, and it changes up a face. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.